It's Tuesday, which means it's time for another fashion track video, giving a little beauty on your lives in this mundane monsoon season. And speaking of monsoon season, yes, it's the time when the rain is all nice and you like to look at it from a distance, but it is also the season where it's a bitch to maintain clothes. Everything smells, your hair is awful. It is just a bad beauty season altogether. So today I thought, last time I gave you in one of my other videos, I gave you 5 tips on how to keep your hair good this monsoon season. But I realized more than hair, we care about our clothes. So this time in this video, I am going to give you some tips on what not to wear this monsoon season. Tip number 1, and probably the most crucial one, if you're used to wearing jeans every day for work or for going outside and jeans make a major portion of your closet, then ditch them this season. Ditch denims this season. Why? Because if they get wet, they take longer to dry and they stay really damp, and that smell stays. And it sort of diminishes the material of the denim. So ditch the denims this season and opt for short skirts, a nice material, linen material, and everything to do with cotton, which dries up easily. Tip number 2, give up the palazzos and the full length skirts. Yes, they are fully in season and look great with the crop tops, but you do not want to be swaying in dirt this monsoon. Opt for shorter length skirts or 3/4 pants instead. Avoid whites this season. Okay, maybe avoid is a much harsher word to use, but know when to use the whites. Because first of all, they get super dirty very easily, and secondly, little bit of rain will turn this into a wet t-shirt contest for turkeys. No one wants that. Use darker color instead. Don't wear colors that bleed. This is my Fab India kurta, and I'm pretty sure once it gets a little wet in the rain, it's going to bleed color. So avoid colors like dark red, dark purple, and this material that specially comes from Fab India and these hardcore cotton kurtas. Make sure you don't wear them, because once they get wet, they are going to bleed out and they're going to ruin everything else. So opt for clothes that you've tried and tested before. Ditch the fancy footwear this season. Anything that is jewels, sequins, your wedges, your nice leather shoes, your stilettos, anything that's closed and basically has nice material on it, give it up this season. Rainwater be a bitch to clean, and also the dirt that sticks to your shoes and it smells forever. No need to ruin these at all. Opt for funky streetwear, funky street rainwear that you can pick up, or pick up some nice funky shoes from Bata. And a handy tip, buy yourself one of those full sets, a jacket and the pants, the raincoat pants. Working women, I know you be taking cabs everywhere, the Kalipili ones, and also Uber, Ola, and then you be taking trains everywhere to go, even though they don't run this monsoon season, and everything in the monsoon smells. And because it's damp, it attracts insects like friggin' moths to a flame. So protect your clothes, especially if you're wearing really nice clothes and going to a meeting or something. Protect your clothes by wearing these. Probably you'll feel a little hot when it's not raining, but trust me, a little bit of care goes a really long way. So those are my handy dandy tips on what not to wear this monsoon season. Try all of them out, and I'm sure you'll be left with clean clothes, a clean self, and clean shoes. That's very, very important. Remember that I do new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I'll see you next time with something completely new on the fashion track. Till then, as I always say, lipstick is God, and always be stylish. See you next time. If you like what you see, then don't forget to hit subscribe and like and spread the love. If you want to have a comment or leave me feedback or give me suggestions, then hit me up on thepulsegirl@gmail.com. And don't forget, new videos every Tuesday and Friday.